So I just got this air compressor pump, or AC pump, and the pulley was wobbly on it. I got it somewhat straight now. Still has a little bit to it. I'm gonna pry it just one more time. And I know I'm not supposed to do this, all right? I get it, all right? I get it. But it is what it is. So, all right, that's going to be good. That'll be good. I got AC now. Well, supposedly. Let's see how she works. I had to make this bracket right here because the rear of the pump is kind of just hovering. I had to modify this because remember, that's an LA intake. And this is a Magnum engine, so I had to shave the back of the compressor, and I lifted it up, and I used this spacer 8 3/8, and I have it the length of the compressor from this bolt to this bolt, and then I have these all tied in now. So it's going to support this back of the air compressor so it doesn't twist the housing. And remember, I had to do that. I had to raise that up to get it to clear the intake. So, and everything is pushed forward. There's the aluminum spacers. All right.